How to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. If any day you would like to put TikTok photo swipe on your TikTok application, but the TikTok photo swipe is not working, just follow the following steps. First of all, tap on TikTok for a while. After that, you will see a screen like this. Now you have to go to the option of I there. After that, you will see an interface of app information. Now go to the option of storage. After that, if there is any cache, go to the option of clear the cache. After that, go back and go to the option of notification and check whether allow notification has been enabled or not. You also need to check whether allow sound and permission has been done or not. After that, you have to go to the option of app permission and you have to see whether all the permission has been allowed to TikTok or not. If all the permission has been allowed, you have to go back. And then you have to go to the option of set as default and you have to enable the option of open the supported links. After you do the process, now you have to go back and now you have to scroll down until you find the option of app details in store. After that, you have to tap in app details in store and your TikTok will be opened in the Play Store. Now you have to check whether any update application has been seen or not. If there is any option of the update the application, you have to update your TikTok application. If not, your problem has been solved. So this way you can keep the feature of photo swipe in your TikTok application.
Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.